ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರಳವಾಗಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷನ್ನು ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕನ್ನಡದೊಂದಿಗೆ.
ಅವರು ಹೊಸವರುನಾ?
New.
Are they new? Are they new?
Are they new?
ಅವರು ಹೊಸವರುನಾ?
Are they new?
ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದು.
Big.
It is so big. It is so big.
It is so big.
ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದು.
It is so big.
ನಾನು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ.
Student.
I was a student. I was a student.
I was a student.
ನಾನು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ.
I was a student.
ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ.
Right.
You were right. You were right.
You were right.
ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ.
You were right.
ಅವನು ವಯಸ್ಸಾದವನು ಅಲ್ಲ.
Old.
He is not old. He is not old.
He is not old.
ಅವನು ವಯಸ್ಸಾದವನು ಅಲ್ಲ.
He is not old.
ಅದು ನಿನ್ನದಾ?
Yours.
Is it yours? Is it yours?
Is it yours?
ಅದು ನಿನ್ನದಾ?
Is it yours?
ಅವಳು ತುಂಬಾ ನಿಪುಣಳಾಗಿದ್ದಳು.
Skilled.
She was very skilled. She was very skilled.
She was very skilled.
ಅವಳು ತುಂಬಾ ನಿಪುಣಳಾಗಿದ್ದಳು.
She was very skilled.
ನಾನು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ.
I was a student. I was a student.
ಅದು ನಿನ್ನದಾ?
Is it yours? Is it yours?
ಅವನು ವಯಸ್ಸಾದವನು ಅಲ್ಲ.
He is not old. He is not old.
ಅವಳು ತುಂಬಾ ನಿಪುಣಳಾಗಿದ್ದಳು.
She was very skilled. She was very skilled.
ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ವಾಕ್ಯವನ್ನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ಗೆ ಅನುವಾದಿಸಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ.